Hello and welcome to the video series of Network and Security powered by Saraswati repository. My name is Vishal Majithia, and this video I'm going to show you about WMIC, that is Windows Management Instrumentation Command Line. Windows Management Instrumentation, and today's tutorial I'm going to show you what is WMIC, Windows Management Instrumentation Command Line, and its uses, and the command lines to check how to get the serial number of your system using command line, and how to get the RAM details, how to get the environment details of your system and the CPU details of your system using a WMIC command line. WMIC as a Windows Management Instrumentation. What is Windows Management Instrumentation? It is a Windows driver model that are used by operating system to get the information of the hardware such as manufacturer, serial number, etc., and the details of the CPU percentage, voltage, and the environment related details and the BIOS related details of the system. So let's perform WMIC command lines. So it has been used for monitoring purpose of your system. The uses of WMIC is used for monitoring purpose. If you want to monitor a Windows system, you can use WMIC command lines and create a bat file to run that command. So this is how you can monitor WMICs. So first of all, we'll start a command for getting the serial number of our system. So for that you need to open command prompt. After that, type WMIC for getting into the WMIC console. So we have just entered into WMIC console. To get the serial number, you need to type command BIOS get serial number, and the result has been displayed. This is the serial number of my system. That's how you can get the serial number of your system using command line, that is WMIC command line. So another operation that we will perform is to get RAM detail of your system. How to get RAM detail of my system? So for that, the command is memory chip list full. So here is the result. So we have fired a command memory chip list full. So the result displayed is bank label bank 0. The capacity is it's a 4 GB, and it has been located on slot 1, which is located on the left side of the RAM slot. So another RAM is also located, which is banked on bank label bank 2, and the slot is right side slot. So this is how you can check where your RAM is located and what is the serial number of the RAM. You can also check, and some of the serial number can be retrieved due to type of RAM, and you can also retrieve the serial number of the RAM and the speed. This is how you can check the RAM details of your system, where it is located and on which slot it is located. So next operation that we will perform is environment details. WMIC, and for getting the environment detail, we need to type command environment. So this is the result. You can check, these are the environment components of the WMIC. So the number of processor it shows. So it also shows the Intel families and this kind of information. This kind of information can be valuable for asset management and for inventory. So this is how you can perform and get the valuable information of your system for asset management and inventory. So next operation that we will perform is to get the CPU details of your system. So which processor the system is running. So for that, the command is, let's get enter into WMIC. The command is CPU. Just enter CPU. It will show the details of the CPU. Here is the result of the CPU which has been present in my system. That is address width, architecture, and it's an Intel Family 6 model 61. It also another information is here you can check the list of the information that is available of the CPU regarding the CPU. It has number of cores are available that are 2. So currently my processor is dual core and the number of core enabled core are 2. And the L3 cache value is 3072. L2 cache value is 256. This is how you can obtain the valuable information using WMIC command line. Hope this has been informative for you, and I would like to thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Vishal Majithia YouTube channel. You can find this on YouTube. This is my YouTube channel. Please do subscribe, and I would like to thank you for watching this video. Thank you.